Sure. Okay. So, how pop sounds. You and a friend are listening to music, pop music. You know what pop music is. Though you may not like it, forget you. This is about falling in love with something dated. About leaving, losing touch, then years later hearing that same love skewed in a new band's blood. About turning the volume up and pressing repeat until you're touched again. This is about wave, a new wave. How your first time lasted exactly 2 minutes and 13 seconds. The perfect length, you thought. Awkwardness, elation, guilt, and confusion, key to a verse, chorus, rising and falling. Anywhere and any time, over again and again and again and again. I'm sick of this song, your friend says. This must be the worst music ever invented. When was the last time the sugar wore off? The last time you looked him straight in the eye and told him, and you told him how you heard the same song sung by a boy at the edge of a candlelit dock over the lake where his best friend drowned. You don't know shit, you want to say. You don't know how pop sounds.